Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can cover extreme dark circles without using any color corrector. Firstly, make sure the under eye area is well hydrated. For this, I'm using the Biotique Seaweed eye gel. Next, to hydrate my face, I'm using the GoodVibes orange gel. Okay, so here comes the most crucial step. For this, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. Since the under eye area is darker, the normal shade won't work. We need to match the concealer with the color under the eye. You can choose a concealer which is 2 to 3 shades darker than your actual skin tone. Using a flat brush like so, I will blend the concealer. I am using light patting motion to blend this. Don't drag for blending since it will move the product and you absolutely don't want that. Now using my same old FitMe compact, I will set the under eye area. The next step is foundation. Here I am using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I will blend the foundation using a flat brush like so. As you can see, I am using light strokes all over the face and then again patting motion as I go near the eye. Because if I use strokes there, it will move the product underneath. And then I'll set the face using the same compact. Next up, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige. Use this lighter shade concealer as you normally do to conceal and highlight. So this is the end result. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. It means a lot. Stay tuned for some more awesome videos like these. Thanks for watching.